APJLC amai puje ai kathar mate MPA candidate a hin pen mithang aboha long pherang kia mai kang nipon bangke thom thengpi kang huatum northern ridge phanglok pet ingnam rai kom sai khik ari deng kachingnang Dokmuka Mahamaya Mandira Baba Puja Amen Pen Osomara Tumaphan Ganja ke Jor Bangke Thom Thengpi Kang Huatum Northern Ridge Phanglok Pet Ingnam Rai Kom Sai Khik Ari Deng Kachingnang Karbi Anglong la penijang Karbi Anglong along lapuan thengpi thengprang kedoko gajok lir sengsang abolon kedopi son si kedamtang ni phai thong kebar ni ajo porphai keb apor malong langpher constituency ke parlo phanglok pet northern bridge ingnam rai kom sai khi ari deng bangke thom thengpi kang hua bang phuatuma phan neb ingnang ponlo Lason si non malom thengpi kang huatum kilit par pik penajok ajowang ta dode sang se phanglok pet northern bridge Difu West Division ke parlo ingnam rai kom sai ki ACF Sarpo ingti lapen Deputy Ranger Longbiram Tiso lapen ke ari sang hotum jogja kirika khuruk an parta ke ton ke lang asai dengsi patowi porphai kep malom thengpi ke ponbom ihum ahem konglong mate Tata Mobile RC nong AS 25CC 3060 thekdun longsi nepdun cheglo kachingnang check up bang phulake sar im rongpi arta ningkaning koirapho hempuingti arta ningkaning koila penke dibasi nat arta ningkan krit roxi pusi pang thekpon berta kelong duna tengke choanga ronga dung malom pen bangso thengpi thapon pen hojai district ke parlo jinda bazar an ponbo mahut towar ebeng thekdun longsi plungdun bom dam bom si velo guri puarong an bangke nepdun long cheklo lapen hemkong long pen northern ridge phanglok pet west division difu ki parlo bolongkoma ji ingnam rai kom sai khia sai hem an vanderlo mate sai derlo deputy ranger longbiram tisopen kapachinia tengke kadu kabi pharoi sira troke PCS atheng pido lapen hichia dor bangke sika suri thongke pusi nangpachini don News Desk Report Public TV Karbi Anglong.
Ahok lo, tôi orban ini, magikri silang ini, kata balik home, tengki cepon bom hendak, tumpo bukuler arrangement, nebulong lo.
Agar itu nebulong cot nama teh. Bang putana ne bolong no
Kali abang puta bang thomdo
oh non bang ke te open litum ba theklong do te alang litum ma yang hong sidu la si non mai ko sona tum ka release lo ma mate ko sona la so ba
or release pang la kali la tum ham ke non ke as per rule itu indemnity bond pen lang tum ham temporary ni isi जिम्मेदार ahator si somjai le
Devasis na Kamal tu putra ni sir. Kamal tu putra lip kasi naman. Hati pura sakit. Mal kur lo boy.
Supplier नाम तो क्या?
Supplier नाम तो?
किजन हमारे 2 जन আছে 2 जन আছে ड्राइवर और 3 जन
हेंटे नाम जाने नहीं ड्राइवर नाम Sarim ki takal
Sarim jampi
aru ekjon ko
ya pura ki dote jabo dise ACF ka rise
বিশেষ পড়ে আছে নাকি ACF স্যার আছে
না কোনে যাব দিছে
কোনে যাব দিছে কোন স্যার স্যারের নাম কি কোনে ওলাব দিছে নি এরপর কোনে ওলাব দিছে এরপর নাম স্যারের নাম জানে নাকি
APJLC amai puje ai kathar mate MPA candidate a hinpen mithang aboha long pherang kia mai kang nipon non bot jokpo dok dogapor asong tina candidate abang photumta aning ar lualam lapen rada phan ki claim bijia saya mo rada phan kachithan ponji aning ki hangkinang sodok bogapotsi abang phutena candidate rada phan chithan ponreblo lason thotsi jangmi po chiklo ni phai CR ni epechelsi amai phuje ai katharmati MP candidate ahin pen mithang abohalong phirangkia maikang nipon Jasimet pini bangso pherangkia maelong akihai je ai kathara hinpen pherangkia thenglo kaningje ponatengke non angkele GMP kilik along jongsi nilitum epechelsi asongatum ke hailoti nilitum aprangsi ke klem ponji hemprega farman Karbi Anglong nijang Karbi Anglong lapen di mahasao arada kar i article 2448 pen CAA labang pavedet nangji lapen kapre kaching thora molhai hoisi tami nilitum claim ponvek ji puta akihai jai kathara hin pen than pon tangti non ang tona kihai jai kathara hin pen pherangkia thengno kaningje ponalam thele arjupon xtina Difupe nilituma pherangki Rustom Hanse nang kilobierta Public TV Karbi Anglong
I have called a press meet today to tell the people for what the APHLC have been fighting for. We are fighting for achievement of autonomous state under Article 244A jointly with the Mahasao or separately. The Mahasao themselves can have an autonomous state and Karbi Anglong also can have another autonomous state as per the law. For that we are fighting. And during this delimitation process, we have submitted a memorandum to the Delimitation Commission requesting them to create another parliamentary constituency for the Mahasao. And more than 3 legislative assembly constituencies for the Mahasao. Total we demanded 15 or 16 LA constituencies including Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. But the government, the election commission has not, delimitation commission has not granted to us, except Amri constituency has been created for us. But that is also the creation, the boundary is very much defective. It is only giving opportunity for non-tribal people to win election in Rongkang. That's what they have done. And they have also delimited the boundaries for Hauraghat also and for Bukajan for the benefit of non-tribal people.
Your slogan has been properly implemented in the Three Hills district.
In not only in Hill district, I think it is not implemented in the whole of northeastern India.
So, do you think during this 10 years, during this tenure of 10 years, the Karbi Anglong district and the Mahasao have they developed?
As I have told you, their development has reduced. They have got no money at all in their hand. Their houses are broken down. They have got no teacher in the school. The schools are closed in the villages. They have got no place to read. And the parents cannot afford to send the children to good schools. So they send them to plain area in Nagaon district, Morigaon district, Kamrup district, Silchar, and Golaghat district, Sibsagar. Everywhere they send Hojai district to work there as slaves. As you know, Sunila Ronghangpi was also sent there to Roha in one house of Borthakur, and she was burned to death. It is because there is no school in Karbi Anglong. There is no proper school. There is no teacher. And the Parents do not have the capacity to purchase books for the children. They have got no capacity to feed the children, so they send them to non-tribal villages, non-tribal people in the plain district to work as slaves. And then they are killed. Many of them are killed. Many of them are converted. One Bijoy Senar from Deng Thavoli in Chintong. Bijoy Senar, he has been taken to Nogong district. He is kept there. And he was converted into Bijoy Bora now. He does not know his parents. Parents are not allowed to meet him. Parents used to go. Parents are not allowed to meet him. And so he has forgotten Karbi language totally. And he does not want to come to his parents. This is the position. We have been reduced to such a stage like this.
So, do you think the mass population of the Three Hills district have realized their mistake of bringing the BJP into power in the district?
So far I know, the Hill people, especially Karbi people, have realized. Hill people and the Hill people of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong people have realized. And the Mahasa also they have realized recently. Because they have found now that they do not have autonomous district now. It is Ponchat now. And so no development there also. You know, if you go to Haflong, all the roads are broken.
Dokmuka Mahamaya Mandira Baba Puja Menpen Osomara Tumaphan Ganja ke Jor. Tonsi ke damtang thereponi phaithong ke Braisiarni Mahamaya Amandira Long Aronre Puja Menpen Osomar Arta ki Jomhek Asomara Tumaphan Ganja Jorbom Puar Julongsi Phongbiri KSA Head Branch Tatum Adima Klong Anpaledam Lapen Ahok Ta Ahok ke Jorabang Jorbom Pusi KSA Klembang Puatumpen Lam Thepa Klangpon Alang litumpen ki pulake puja aphan pini ganja akinang sot pualongke endun long nilitum thang taki pudunji alam theawe cita puja menpen vanpo pu osomar arta ki jomatuma phan jorpon bom pua bangke komantu neta chedon dun thek thelapen lapusana sailang no ki klema bang karjulong lapen ki thekdun long penta ningdok piklo pusi KSA klembang puatumpen lam thepa klangpon Athe lapu arta kavia sumaratum pinangan kanahok do pikhangjanglo lapen kanahok lo pulote mina karbia sumaratum si kanahok dunlo lapen karbia sumaratum jongsi kanahok lo pulote lake karbia khaelong si kanahok lo puta ningjepon lasi lapusona sailang nuwa bangke paklemlong le der nangji lapen nilitum KSA penabangke kumantu nita chedon dun thekthi lapen aku jorbomlang pulote sodak pen insai ponji pusi KSA klembang puatum pen ningje pon
Pining we nilitum dak Mahamaya Mandir long KSA Phongbri Head Branch ahin pen Mahamaya Mandir long mon larna mamen pen lahai ganja hai kejor lapen somar tumhan nani pen khobor long pe ladak ganja na chonam la soma mondir long ana mamen pen lahai tum baba tum ganja kejor lahai kejor isisia a packet long 100 rupees ba yaha ka packet long ki 80 rupees ason jasila tum kejor jor lasinili tum Phongbri Head Branch AKSA atum khobor long si pini bang nili tum dak Mahamaya Mandir along wangnang kok lo lapen nang humri lo nili tum humri nang kok alam the bangla son lo je Mahamaya Mandir long ganja hai ke jor abe par hai nili tum abatai khobor long pik lo la so khobor ke long pe nili tum ningwe bangke abatai ke ong si nili tum bangke ningwe bangke ladak Mahamaya Mandir long ke bangke la son lo je alang litum pining veta la son ganja na chona matum do la sinili tum khobor ke long jirpo tum phone call sinili tum dak ningwe bang mate Mahamaya Mandir long an ke bang lo la so ke bang bangke nili tum ta mane alang litum kopi si claim ji kopi si na se dam jima la tum long ni tum da information ke long tang ben sinili tum dak bang la so ke bang benili tum ningwe bang ke dhora ta puridon lok lo so dhora ka puridon bang ke nili tum dak Mahamaya Mandir along baba tum se so ganja ke jor so ganja ke jor bang ke kona pen si ke ban mala bang nili tum ningwe bang e detail salam isi hini bang ke long lo stami pe na badap se ya angko bang thuji so ke bang thuji long pen pini ya ningwe detail ningwe alam ke long bang la son lo khiruni pe na jak ke bana ganja da do la pen ke bana bang stami ladak apil aijan do pusi pu nili tamana thandun la so aijan do pu nang thandun mela alang litum hok lone hok helone la bang nili tum ta chini pa meka kelang la si pining ve long nili tum long hok alam nai thandun bang mate la son lo khiruni pen sigeban la pen keban bang ta usomar tum sigeban la si usomar tum keban na long bihek tum aphan ganja alang litum ta me mo ana ma men pen ke jor bang ke henu pusi nili tum bang ke ahok alam pilo ahok alam ningjidu na kok lo lapen ke henu along ke nili tum ke nili tum duty lo lapen nili tum apilo kam lo lage lasi akheno kam choklem lo makani nili tum ke se hin ben ke kroi dunun e lapen kroi thek the lasi ningve son son dhora kapuri long ke non kapre ka dim long thek chini pisamba khobor long pisami nili tum long lage phongbre ke se de kapre ka ke se tum same lage dunvek nangji lapen claim dunvek nangji la so akam long ke kham khi dunvek nangji